This here is a small control panel, and it's part of a larger system. This is going to be used on a booster pump, and it's part of the control logic that will run the actual booster. We like to coordinate the colors with the voltages. They do have meanings, not just a pretty color. For example, the red and white wires will be for 120 volt. Blue wire is DC voltage. In this case, we have 24 volts running in and out of the relays. And then the yellow terminal blocks with the yellow wire is foreign voltage. When we shut off the main breaker to turn the power off to this panel, this gives the operator and the customers a warning that this could still have voltage available from an outside source. So even though you turn the power off to this control panel, the yellow wire means there still might be live voltage in the wire from an outside source. This is just a small example of a smaller size control system that we would do. Everything is labeled with identification tags. All the wires have been identified with heat shrink numbers, and the terminal blocks all have their individual labels on them. These are timers, relays, and a thermostat that will operate an outside fan.